The differences between silicone cupping and vacuum cupping is the silicone cups are soft and flexible, whereas the vacuum cups are hard plastic or sometimes glass, and they have a rubber pump or a suction gun. With the suction method, with the silicone cups, you're going to manually squeeze the cup to create the suction, but with the vacuums, you have a mechanical suction via a pump. The pressure is very similar, although it's a little bit more intense with the vacuum cups. The reason why it can be more intense is because you can adjust the pressure of the vacuum cups, whereas the silicone cups are controlled by your hand pressure. You're then going to place some static cups on the lower back while you focus on the upper back, the trapezius and scapular area. You can apply these cups all over the back, depending on how many you have spare. And cups can also go directly over the spine, which you're going to see me do a little bit later on. Applying cups and leaving them static in the lumbar region helps relieve lower back pain. The suction lifts the muscle and the fascia, which is going to promote the blood flow, reducing tension around the lumbar spine. It improves circulation to the kidneys. In traditional Chinese medicine, the lower back is closely linked to kidney meridians associated with energy, vitality, and reproductive health. Cups placed near the sacrum and the glutes can help ease pressure on the sciatic nerve, which will reduce radiating pain down the leg. It can also help support fatigue and adrenal burnout. Then place a large cup in the center of the posterior thigh. Begin with vertical glides, moving upwards and angling towards the outer thigh, towards the inguinal lymph nodes. And you're going to repeat this motion around 5 times. Up and down the leg. The gliding motion creates a dynamic negative pressure, which enhances circulation in the large muscle groups like the hamstrings here.